I grew up in a place.
Okay, traffic lights. Can you turn right, please? Turn right. Traffic lights. Check your speed ahead. Just be patient. Maintain your speed at 40. Look ahead. Assess the road. Check your signs on the left. Check ahead. It says reduce speed at the roundabout. Approaching a roundabout, can you take the first exit, please? Mind your speed again. Look ahead. Good job. Check your sign in front. Again, we are turning left at the roundabout. Read your signs. Check your lane. Good job. Check your right. Give way. Good job. Signs are usually on the left side. Be patient with your speed. Check your speed, please. That's it. Just hold on to it. Speed signs on your left. Increase your speed. There you go. So let's take the next right, please. Indicate right. Turning right. Check cars in front. Beautiful. Check your speed signs on the left. Have to slow down here, be at 40. correct. Good job. Okay, roundabout. Can you go straight? Roundabout. Go straight. Check your speed. Assess your road. Check your lane positioning. You want to go straight. Good job. Slow down. Prepare to do a full stop. Check your right. It's clear. Proceed. Good job. We're going straight. Nice. Check your speed. It says 50, but the road is going downhill. Prepare for your foot on the brakes. That's it. Maintain your speed. Turn right, please. Check for signs. Signs again are usually on the left side. You are approaching a roundabout. This time we turn right. Turn right please, or take the third exit at the roundabout. Check your lane position. Good job. Check the car first in front of you. Wait for your turn. Move your head to the right. Good job. Right turn. Just be patient with your speed. We're turning right. Exit here. Beautiful. Good job. Speed checks. Just be patient. Check your speed. Nice. Switch lanes please if it's safe. Good job. Check for signs.
In 400 meters, red light camera ahead.
Stay on this lane. Traffic lights, just go straight. Second set of traffic lights, turn right. Check your speed please, it's still 40. That's it. Alright, this is your second set. We are turning right. Good job. That's how you do it. Very good.